You know the fucking Skip Bayless and what's his name? Shannon Sharp.
Bayless?
I showed you them. You remember those dudes? You've seen them for sure. But he's the one who's like, Skip, listen up, Skip. Remember I was making that joke where he's like, if Skip died, he'd be like, Skip, how can you do this to me, Skip?
What happened, Skip?
What happened, Skip?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Skip. You've been impressed since December 30th. What was the year? 1984. Gloria, thank you, Gloria. Thank you, Gloria. That's a jukebox. I want to stop it, Skip. Skip. Stop it, Skip. Stop it. You're going to step on the landmine. Skip. I want to see your top 5.
Skip. Is that like his best friend or what?
What?
That's like his best friend.
Yeah.
He's like,
sure.
Skip.
I think LeBron James is his best friend. And he's like talking about working out with him and shit.
He's like, yeah, we BFFs.
He's like, yeah, he put me in Space Jam 2, Skip. Skip, let me tell you about Space Jam 2, Skip.
Skip to my loo, my dog.
Damian Lillard, Skip. LeBron James, Skip. Klay Thompson, Skip.
Yep.
Klay Thompson's supposed to be in Space Jam 2. I'm like, you got the most boring dude.
I know. Yeah, what up with that?
He's going to be like, yeah, I'm ready to play. That's going to be like
Thanks for having me, guys. I love being a part of the team.
I love being part of this team.
I'll shoot a 3 right now.
I shot a lot of threes. I made them. It was good.
I win at basketball.
I win basketball game. I shoot ball, it go in.
I throw ball.
I throw ball, it make hoop. We go home.
They're like, good job.
Good job, Klay.
You did a really good job in that movie.
What if he's like a voiceover actor? Over like one of the cartoons. Just some hella boring,
I play
lethargic
ball.
ass.
I throw ball. Believe it or not, that was Klay Thompson's phenomenal acting behind that boring character.
He has like a
one.
singing. He has like a whole fucking.
He played
solo.
Daffy Duck. He's like, what's up? Or no, that's Donald.
That's Duck.
That's Donald Duck.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever the fuck.
It's like Donald Duck getting strangled.
The Lola Bunny thing is so funny. Like that meme that was like, I like my in my day, cartoons had big tits and were hot.